Ojasvi and Harsh Deshwal, please continue.
Uditi,
We were at,
Ma'am,
yes,
camera is not available on the device which
camera
I'm
is not
using.
available. Ojasvi, your
Uditi,
camera is
Uditi, Anshika and all. Uditi, Anshika. Uditi, switch on your
Ojasvi.
camera, beta.
Harsh, you can start like this only. By the time
Yes.
Ojasvi, Gausia, Ariba, please start
Yes,
beta.
ma'am. Okay,
Start.
ma'am.
On
Keep
your
your
camera.
videos on. Yes, all of you. 11th standard as well, so that you can contribute. Paritosh, you were giving very good points in the previous class, beta. So just keep your video on. Paritosh. Yes, so that you can participate. Ananya, Ariba, both the Aribas of 11th and 12th.
Beta, I have to take a screenshot. Please switch on your cameras for a minute. I need to take a screenshot of all of you.
Hitansh
Prabha, wait.
Dikshit, Hitansh
All of you,
Dikshit, if you're present in the class, please switch on your camera.
switch on. I need to take a screenshot. Hurry up,
Please,
Suryansh.
all of you. Suryash has a problem with his camera. Suryash Vikram.
Hitansh, Ritul,
Vash and all.
Ismantak.
इसमें Antak and all.
Beta, 2 minutes.
Pranav,
Switch on your cameras. I need to take a screenshot. Very good. Ritul, Ismantak, Sanya, Ariba. Please switch on your cameras. I'll take screenshots.
Hitansh.
Ma'am,
Hitansh,
I am facing connection errors.
you just try if it is possible for a few minutes.
Beta,
Just check.
just try for 2 minutes. Let me take
Only.
screenshots.
It has to be sent, beta. Please.
At least 2 minutes for the screenshot. Then if you want, you can switch it off. I'm absolutely okay. You can switch off your cameras after 2 minutes after I take screenshots. Suryansh has a problem. Ismantak and Ariba.
Asmantak is
Yes.
back.
Just 2 minutes, beta. Let us take screenshots. Now those who have already given the screenshots, if you want, you can switch off. We are absolutely okay. I've taken the screenshots. Anybody else left? Prabha, Harsh has a problem in his camera, he said, no?
Yes, he has a
Kirat is
problem.
in the waiting room. Let me see if I can take more screenshots. Ma'am, we can start. I would request you start the discussion. I'll keep taking screenshots one by one, those who are
Okay.
joining.
Okay. Uditi, start. The topic is the same. You have to give the solution. You have to give the reasons why the women are exploited. Uditi, start. And others will follow. Okay.
Ma'am,
And then
this
12th standard also can
Shakti,
help. Ah, yes.
ma'am, this Shakti program, which is going to initiate just 3 days after today, I think the duration for this, which is 6 months, is quite short. It should be extended more. And the feminism which is spreading today, as stated by Nia Banerjee, is more of a elite feminism. We need to extend this to the rural areas as well, and it would be better if we take in concern the rural as well as the urban sector both in terms of feminism, and spread awareness everywhere to stand against exploitation. And moreover, at times the people do not concern uh, exploitation as it. Many of the women are not even aware that they are being exploited. Such awareness about uh, things like bad touch and good touch should be spreaded in schools, and this should be taught so that people can take their stand and at least recognize that what has went wrong. And also they should use their right against exploitation and file cases. These things are not to be ashamed of, but to be fought with proper bravery and courage.
Yes. Others? Harsh Deshwal, will you continue with it?
Yes, ma'am, I agree with the point that the duration of Mission Shakti, 6 minutes, is quite small. And I think this mission should be extended. And like, ma'am,
Yes,
I
Harsh.
think the first initiative that government should take is to strengthen the law and order in our state, as we know that And ma'am, also we should make the rules quite strict for these crimes.
Okay. Ojasvi, what do you have to say?
Exactly, ma'am. We need more time for this. The time should be extended so that everyone can put their opinions and a strict action can be taken place.
Soni Sharma, what do you have to say regarding that? What is your
Sorry
opinion?
to interrupt, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt you. Vansh, Mansi, Kirat, please switch on your cameras so that I can take screenshot. You have just joined. Earlier, when I took screenshots, you were not there. Vansh, Mansi, Kirat. For 1 minute, please switch on your cameras, beta. It is also joining. Beta, I'm waiting. Very good, Ritul. Yes, yes. Vansh,
Iti,
please
switch on
switch
your
on your
video.
camera.
Iti,
Kirat.
switch on.
Iti, please switch on your video for a minute. Let me take screenshots. Kirat,
Yes, ma'am.
please for 1 minute, beta. Later, if you want, you can switch it off. Vansh, am I audible? Thank you, Kirat. Iti, thank you. We'll take screenshots. Mansi is there, Ritul is there, Kirat is there, and Iti is there. Just 1 minute, let me take screenshots. After that, if you want, you can switch off and continue with the discussions. That's it. Okay, Pranav, let me take for Pranav also. Yes, Pranav Saxena. Pranav, just 1 second, keep it on only. Let me take a screenshot of yours as well. Pranav, just 1 second. If there's anybody who joins us later, Iti, we have taken. Okay, thank you so much. If you want, you can switch off now. And please continue with the discussion. I'll keep taking screenshots, ma'am, those who keep coming. Please continue.
Okay, so who was there? Who was giving the opinion? It was Ojasvi. Okay, now Iti,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
topic is the same. We're
Yes.
talking about the exploitation of the women in the society. So you can focus those points again, that what is the reason behind it? Why? What are the loopholes in the system which are responsible, and what solutions do you suggest so that the condition of the women could get justice? Yes, Iti, continue. Iti?
I think Iti is not aware only of what is going on because she's come late.
No, actually, we were discussing the same thing. No, I am continuing because the last class also discussed the same thing. So she had points with her.
Siddharth Aryan, Siddharth
Siddharth,
Aryan,
Siddharth
switch on
Aryan,
your
हाँ.
camera. Siddharth, switch on your
Now,
camera. You have just joined.
Anshika, in the meantime, you can switch.
Yes,
you can,
ma'am.
Okay, share your opinion.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in my opinion, these days women exploitation is on height as women, they don't file, they don't raise their voices. As we can see, they are if they are the victim of any crime, then they should raise their voice and they should inform that was what has happened to them. They should file an FIR, and they should fight against those men. And if we talk about urban cities, they are more educated and they are more literate, that they can raise their voice. They can uh, but they can uh
They can, but they don't.
yes,
At that,
ma'am,
they
they
can,
can,
but they
but they
don't.
don't. If they are the victim, then only they fight against it, and they set an example. But if it they are more exposed, they like, if we talk about pubs and clubs in metropolitan cities, they these days drug abuse and these pubs are more common, and they more they are more prone to uh, these
Get
crimes.
victimized.
Yes, ma'am. And they give an opportunity to those men to exploit. And even in villages also, uh, if we talk about that rural areas, their women are not exposed. They are isolated. Even if we talk about that point in which if in cities, people they don't know, they are not socially involved. They don't know that who is living in their neighborhood, and who and they are not socially we can say that if we talk about that example in which that woman was locked in bathroom, and her husband locked her for more than 1 year, and the neighbors knew that the woman was locked, but they didn't raise their voice, they didn't do anything. Even that woman, even not only that husband was involved, their family members was also involved. What family of that woman did, but then she was rescued by a social uh, she was not rescued by her family members, she was rescued by social uh, we can say that
Yes.
that
NGO. Very good, very good. So whoever speaks, like just now Anshika spoke, please when you speak, switch on your cameras. We are recording with video. So whenever you give your opinion, like Anshika said just now, please switch on your cameras. Continue, Beta.
yes, ma'am. So my point is that they should just raise their voice, and they should fight against the crime which they are victim of, and just this.
Okay, will be the next one. Ariba, 12th standard Ariba or 11th Ariba. Any one of you? Ariba. Ariba. Are you there? Okay. Paritosh?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, some of the things that I would improve in ma'am UP, for instance, is that ma'am, the police should make more female officers available, as that would have great impact on on the cases. And secondly, the cases should be once the cases are filed, they should be processed really fast, because in India there is a problem that cases are not processed for years or decades even, and this doesn't give justice to the to the female that is being harassed or molested.
Okay, very good. Then Kirat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What do you have to say? Share your opinion.
Like,
Yes.
first of all, the thing should be that women should be aware what their rights are. And they should not be afraid of raising their own voices. Like, many of the cases are not even registered. So they should not be afraid of, many of the cases are not registered just because of the society near that what we will say, what happened and all, just because like that. And the second thing is when the women will raise their voices, the country will know what has exactly happened. And there would be a kind of a pressure on people to solve the cases. Like, many of the cases are not even solved and are closed halfways because of the power which is there. And moreover, when we talk about the handling of the cases which are done by judiciary, so the levels of courts which are there, some if they're not, if the victim, like the one which is the criminal, basically the criminal, if the person has a higher power, then the cases are just moved on to another courts and not pending for years, and justice is not given. So we should work on that part first.
Yes. Smanta.
Ma'am, personally, what I think is the biggest problem why the case are not registered is the identity of the victim is often we have seen disclosed, which should not happen. The identity of the victim should be kept secretly because the whole society is judging on her. And secondly, what I think is the people who are in power often misuse their power because they often try to suppress the victim's voice or they try to harm them in any way. For that, we should rather prefer to separate judiciary systems. Separate courts should be made, which are free from any power and any political influence. Then only the justice will be provided. And the main thing is mainly we have seen that most the criminals are from known background of the victim, like either a family member or a friend. So the most important reason why they don't raise their voices कि society में बदनामी होगी, which should not be the case in any victim's mind while she gets raped or something like that. So the identity must be kept secret.
Sania, what do you have to say? Sania, share your opinion. Sania, are you there? Please share your opinion regarding the same issue. What do you think? Gausia?
Gausia, are you there, beta? Iti, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes. By the time Iti speaks, Gausia, you also think?
Ma'am, should I speak?
Yes, continue.
Ma'am, I think men should be educated, and then stronger laws should be there for molesters, rapists, etc. And rapists should be hanged. As a result, there would be fear in the mind of molester. Committing such a crime will never cross their mind. And more women MLAs, officers should be there in our country. And I think there should be more women out at night. With more women around, other women will feel safe. And the last point, police department, more female police officers should be there, and discussion about this should be there in school also. That's it.
Suryash Vikram?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think you'll not be able to switch on your video now. You have a problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then speak.
Ma'am, I believe that media is also playing a very big role in suppressing the rights of women because, ma'am, the major cases which are actually happening in both cities and rural areas do not come in media because they are highly influenced by the political power that is in the state. Because if a case would come, then it would directly affect the reputation of the leader that is in that state. So they pay the media to suppress the case that it does not appear in any news channel or newspapers. Ma'am, this also plays a very bad effect in all the general safekeeping of the state, because if these kinds of cases do not appear in the newspaper or news, then people will not be informed about them.
That is, of course, quite the fact. Okay. Yes, somebody else, Taranpreet, would you like to share something?
Yes, ma'am.
You are from the village background. What do you observe?
Ma'am, actually, I think so. I assert that if like we say that there is an independence in our country, ma'am, I think so. The independence will come. The full independence will come
Taranpreet,
when
beta,
a woman.
sorry to interrupt you. Can you switch on your camera? Taranpreet, will you be switch on camera for a minute when you're speaking? Possible?
If you can do that. If it correct.
Thank you. Thank
Fine.
you. Thank you so
Continue,
much. Thank you.
Continue. I think he has some connectivity issues. Sat? हाँ. Tanvir, continue.
If you're not comfortable with the camera, never mind. Continue like this only. Switch it off and continue.
I think he has some connectivity issues. Karanpreet, you may continue, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue, beta.
Ma'am, I think that independence in our country would only come when a female child, and a female member of her country is moving in a street without any dread, without any fear of getting raped or getting harassed by any other person. So, ma'am, for that, the various issues are responsible. Ma'am, first is education. Ma'am, like we have seen that the most cases that have been evolved, that has been came into the notice, are, ma'am, like are because of the like most of them are from rural areas, like many of them are not educated, ma'am. So, ma'am, first is the education, because education can develop the mental horizon. People can expand their mental horizon and can think far away, can develop a better society, because of which these type of cases can be reduced. And ma'am, second, I assert that we should provide or we should cater the need of education, especially in rural areas. After that, the matter comes to politics, ma'am. The major is that the cases which happened are being suppressed by the politics, and so, ma'am, are being suppressed by the politics and especially police, ma'am. So